Building a home is one of the biggest dreams many families have. But what if that dream did not have to cost a fortune? Sounds hard to believe, right? Every year, more people are choosing barndominiums because they can save a lot of money and still enjoy a strong, modern, and beautiful home. But here is the big question. How can we build one for the lowest cost without making expensive mistakes? In this video, we will learn every important step from choosing cheap land to saving money on the roof, walls, and inside rooms. We will also share smart tips that many builders never tell beginners. So stay with us until the end, because one simple idea could help you save thousands of dollars on your future home. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the bell so you never miss more easy guides about affordable homes, land, and smart real estate ideas. If you enjoy learning simple ways to save money while building your dream home, visit cryptogalorenews.live for more helpful updates. Keep learning, keep saving, and let's build something amazing together. Why barndominiums are so popular? Only a few years ago, most people had never heard the word barndominium, but now things are very different. In 2026, these homes are becoming a popular choice across many parts of the United States. Families like them because they are strong, easy to build, and often cost less than many traditional houses. A steel frame can last for 40 to 60 years, with simple care and very little maintenance. Many owners also enjoy the large open space inside because they can plan the rooms the way they want. Some families build a 1,600 square foot home, while others also add a 600 square foot garage or workshop in the same building. A barndominium gives us more space, more freedom, and better value without always spending more money. Start with the right budget. Every successful building project begins with a smart budget before anything else. Many people make the mistake of buying land or building materials before knowing the full cost. That often brings stress later when more bills start to arrive. A simple budget helps us stay in control from day one until the final paint is finished. In 2026, many affordable barndominiums cost around $70 to $120 per square foot, depending on the location, labor, and materials. It is also smart to keep an extra 10% to 15% for surprise costs, because prices can change during the project. A good budget helps us avoid borrowing more money than we really need. Careful planning today can save thousands of dollars before the home is complete. Choose land that saves money. The land we choose can greatly change the final cost of the whole project. Land with a low price is not always the best choice if it needs a lot of work before building can begin. Flat land is usually faster and cheaper to prepare because builders spend fewer days leveling the ground. It is also a smart idea to buy land that already has a road, electricity, and water close by. Adding these services later can cost around $15,000 to $40,000 in many areas. Even paying $5,000 to $10,000 more for better land may save much more during construction. Before buying any property, visit it at least 2 or 3 times and check that it is easy to build on. Keep the floor plan simple. One smart decision can help lower building costs from the very beginning. Many people add extra rooms, long hallways, and special house shapes that make construction much more expensive. A simple rectangle is quicker to build and uses fewer building materials. An open living room connected to the kitchen also saves money because fewer inside walls are needed. Many families find that a home between 1,500 and 2,000 square feet gives enough space for 3 to 5 people without making the budget too high. A simple floor plan is also easier to clean, repair, and improve later if the family grows. Keeping the design simple is one of the easiest ways to save money while building. Buy a steel building kit. Many experienced builders save both time and money by buying a complete steel building kit. Instead of ordering every part one by one, they buy everything together in one package. Most kits include the steel frame, roof panels, wall panels, bolts, screws, and easy step-by-step instructions. All the parts are made to fit together, making the building process much faster. For many projects, builders can finish the main steel frame in about 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the home size. Faster work often means lower labor costs and fewer delays. Many companies also check every part before shipping to help reduce building mistakes. A complete steel kit gives us a strong start and makes the whole project easier to manage. Build only what you need today. A well-planned home is often better than a very large one with empty rooms. Many people dream about huge houses with extra bedrooms, game rooms, and oversized living spaces. However, every extra 100 square feet adds more money for building, heating, cooling, and yearly maintenance. Instead, focus on building only the rooms your family needs today. For example, a simple 3-bedroom home is enough for many families, and more space can often be added later if needed. This smart plan helps many people move into their new home several months sooner without taking very large loans. A smaller home with good planning often feels more comfortable than a bigger home with unused space. Use a strong foundation. Everything above the ground depends on what is built below it first. Every home needs a strong foundation, but that does not mean we must spend more than needed. The best foundation depends on the land, local weather, and building rules in the area. In 2026, many affordable barndominiums use a concrete slab that is about 4 to 6 inches thick because it is simple, strong, and often costs less than building a full basement. Before pouring the concrete, builders should always test the soil to make sure it is safe and stable. Fixing foundation problems later can cost $10,000 to $30,000 or even more. Doing the job correctly the first time saves both money and time. Save with a simple roof. A smart roof choice can lower both building costs and future repair bills. The roof protects everything inside the house, so choosing the right one is very important. A simple gable roof is one of the most affordable designs because it uses fewer materials and takes fewer work days to build. Roofs with many corners and complex shapes usually cost much more. Metal roofs are also a top choice for barndominiums because they can last around 40 to 60 years with very little care. They also stand up well to heavy rain, snow, and strong winds of over 100 miles per hour in many areas. Spending a little more on a good metal roof today can save thousands of dollars in repairs later. A simple roof is often the smartest roof. Keep the inside simple. A beautiful home does not have to be filled with costly things. Many people spend too much money after the outside of the house is finished. They buy expensive flooring, luxury lights, and high-cost kitchen cabinets that quickly increase the budget. Strong vinyl flooring, simple cabinets, and easy-to-clean countertops can still look modern while costing much less. Many families finish the kitchen, bathroom, and bedrooms first, then improve other rooms over the next 2 to 5 years. This allows them to move into the home much sooner without taking bigger loans. Small upgrades can always be added later when the budget is stronger. Smart spending inside the home keeps the whole project affordable. Do some work yourself. Every small job we complete ourselves can help reduce the final building cost. Labor is one of the biggest costs when building a new home. If you have basic skills, you may be able to paint walls, install shelves, clean the building site, or put together simple furniture. Doing these smaller jobs can save $500 to $5,000, depending on the size of the project. However, electrical work, plumbing, and structural building should always be completed by licensed professionals because they must meet local building rules. This also helps keep your family safe for many years. Doing the easy work yourself while leaving difficult jobs to experts is a smart way to save money. Buy materials at the right time. Good timing can save a surprising amount of money during construction. Prices for steel, concrete, wood, and insulation often change throughout the year. During busy building months, materials may cost much more than during slower seasons. Before buying, compare prices from at least 3 different suppliers to find the best deal. Some companies also give discounts. When you buy larger amounts, or order several weeks early. Saving just 5% to 10% on building materials can reduce the total cost by several $1,000s. It is also worth asking local suppliers if they have extra materials from other projects at lower prices. Careful shopping is just as important as careful building. Think about future savings. A smart home keeps saving money long after construction is finished. Building costs are important, but monthly bills also matter. Good insulation helps keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer, lowering heating and cooling costs every month. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat loss and help keep indoor temperatures comfortable. LED light bulbs use up to 75% less electricity than older bulbs and can last around 15 to 20 years. Some families also choose to add solar panels later when their budget allows. These simple choices can lower monthly bills for the next 20 to 30 years. Avoid costly mistakes. Careful planning can save much more money than fixing problems later. Many first-time builders lose money because they rush important decisions. Some forget to get local permits before construction begins, while others change the floor plan after building has already started. These changes can add thousands of dollars and delay the project by several weeks. Buying very cheap materials that wear out quickly is another mistake many people make. It is always better to compare prices, read customer reviews, and ask experienced builders before making big purchases. Spending a few extra days planning can prevent months of stress later. Build smart, live better. In the end, smart choices always bring the best results. Building an affordable barndominium is not about buying the cheapest materials for everything. It is about making good decisions from the first day until the final step of the project. Choosing good land, a simple design, a strong steel frame, and a careful budget can save $20,000 to $50,000 on many builds. Every family has a different budget, but everyone can lower costs by avoiding things they do not really need. A barndominium gives us the chance to own a strong, comfortable, and modern home without spending more than we can afford. With good planning and smart decisions, our dream home becomes much easier to build and enjoy for many years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, press the bell so you never miss a new video. We make simple and easy videos about barndominiums, affordable homes, land, real estate, and smart money ideas. If you know someone who is planning to build a home or buy land, share this video with them too. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people. For more simple updates about affordable homes, real estate, finance, and smart investments, visit CryptoGaloreNews.live. Keep learning, keep saving, and who knows, your dream barndominium could be closer than you think.